Hello everyone, and welcome to this crude oil futures review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a 0.1 range bar chart based on tick data, and I'm going to do this chart today kind of backwards. I decided to take this trade, last long trade setup, as I started recording this video today and getting prepared for it. I saw this setup and I took it and I exited one contract here at the second profit target. I'm currently at break even on the second contract, and I'm shooting for this overhead day trading level of 112.10. We'll see what happens. In any case, I'm going to back up now and show you a trade, a potential trade setup that I did not take. Today was a big news day. We had two news reports at 8:30 and the crude oil inventory report at 10:30. A very important report, of course, and the FOMC rate decision 2 hours after that. You can see this market was heading down going into the 10:30 news. Once the news came out, the market produced this flurry of activity here. You can see this is a 1 minute time period, all these bars here, as the market headed down. This bar here is still 1 minute after 10:30 here, and then the market headed back up. This setup bar that I have shown with this blue arrow is 4 minutes after 10:30, and I show you the setup because this market came back up and broke the trend line off of the highs here, came up, tested the 111.08 overhead resistance level, which held, and then pulled back. So the setup that I like is this setup. I did not take it, but it's a great setup. The entry is just above the position trading level, goes on to reach the single profit target. If you had held the second contract to break even, you would have dodged the bullet, missing getting stopped out break even by a tick or two as the market went up to the overhead position trading level 111.55. That would have been a great trade. Now I'm going to go back further in time and show you what the early morning looked like. This is the first trade of the day here, this short setup that I took, but I'm going to back up even further and show you the overnight trading activity. You can see it was wild overnight. The market opened up here in no man's land, and 1/2 hour after the 8:30 news, this is actually at 8:59, the market formed this double bottom off this position or day trading level, and the software generated a setup right off of the black bar. I did not take the setup. However, the dollar move per contract from the entry to this overhead position trading level was $320, which would have been a very nice trade. The market pulled back from this overhead position trading level, which held as a resistance, and then just started chopping around going into the release of the 10:30 news. We're in no man's land here. I started getting interested in a short setup going into the 10:30 news once the market came down, broke the day trading level and this double bottom, held a support briefly, and then pulled back. And this is the setup bar that I used to take the trade. The entry was just below the swing low and, of course, below the day trading level. I entered a couple of ticks higher than the 112.04 entry point of the software, exited both contracts here at the single profit target. I was not interested in shooting for anything lower going into the 10:30 news. Well, that's all she wrote. So long for now.